Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a polygel set. I have this polygel that I reviewed from Joslove. They sent me a kit. I believe it was, oh my god, I think it was maybe in March. Yeah, I think it was in March. And I used all the colors except for the bright pink. I mean, it's not super bright, but I mean, it's like it's a pastel, but it's kind of, oh, it's just pretty. And I've been wanting to use it. So I'm going to use this and the clear. And then I'm going to be using these Joslove tips. I just put them in this container because they came in a bag. These are the 2XL squared tapered curve. They do have a very slight curve. My nails grow straight, so I just wanted to kind of up. I mean, they grow a little bit up and it makes my tips like go up. So I just thought if I used a little bit curved, they kind of go down a little bit. But yeah, they're not too curved, just like a natural curve. And then I'm going to be using this Born Pretty. This is a cat eye gel CM07 and it has this very slight pinkish purple shimmer. And I'm going to be using these flowers. They're also like pinkish purple, so that's the kind of color scheme I'm going for today. And then I have these beautiful rhinestones here that I got from Joslove in my scoops. But look at that, they're like a pinkish purple, but they have like a gold shimmer, super pretty. And then I also have these flowers that I got from a giveaway that I got from Nails by Lena C. So yeah, I won these in her giveaway. So there's some that are like the purpley kind of pink. I'm gonna see which ones I'm gonna use. And then I have these little butterflies. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get our tips on. So I'm gonna be putting my tips on with the Joslove base coat because I do have that peel off. Regular glue will not stick, so I always have to go ahead and just put some base coat on. Alright, so I already applied all the tips. I am going to go ahead and cut them. So I did cut them a little bit shorter than I wanted to because I kept cutting this one slanted for some reason. I'm like, what the heck? But yeah, I'm just going to go in and see the tips slightly hanging over here. So I'm just going to make that flush with my nail. That way it's not sticking out. Alright, so I'm going to take the base coat and then we're going to apply this to the whole nail, and then we're going to cure it for 60 seconds. Alright, so I went ahead and put the base coat on and cured it. And now we're going to go in with the polygel. Like I said, I'm using the Joslove 2703. And I am going to use their slip solution. Oh my gosh, I'm almost done. I have like a drop at the bottom because I used it last time when I did that set. But I really liked it. I liked it better than alcohol. So, and then I am going to try this kind of brush. I seen this on Nails by Vic, that she uses this one, so I went and I ordered this actually like last year, and I only used it like on my practice finger, so I'm gonna see how it works, you know, actually doing it on the nails. So I'm gonna be doing all the nails the same color, so I'll probably just show 1 or 2 nails with me applying the polygel because it's gonna be the same, you know, the same thing. So Alright, I just want to say I'm really liking doing polygel this way. I always did the lazy girl method. I don't know if it's just because of their brand, but it's so nice to work with. Like, seriously, it is. Like I said in my other set that I did, that was my second time doing like sculpting polygel, you know, so this is my third time and I love it. I'm gonna try it with a different brand. I have a whole bunch of another different brand of polygel, so I'm gonna be doing a lot of polygels because they were having a big sale, and so I bought a lot of polygels, so I'm gonna be doing probably quite a bit of polygels. Alright, so this is the pink here. So I am going to go in with these, where'd they go? With the little flowers and butterflies, and I'm going to use my little flashy lamp to put them on, but there is a sticky layer, so I'm going to go ahead and remove the sticky layer. I did a practice finger yesterday on my little practice finger, and I thought, oh, since the polygel's sticky, you know, these will probably stick, but it didn't. They did not stick. They actually came up on the jelly part. So yeah, I just got to clean these real good, and I think I am going to go ahead and just file them a little bit. Yeah, I didn't really work on like the apex or anything because I'm going to be encapsulating these with clear, so then we can build it, you know, with clear. So I just wanted to kind of get the base layer down, and so yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and file these up a bit, and then we'll go ahead and put the little flowers on. Alright, so here they are after I filed them a bit just to make them a little bit more smoother so that when I put the clear on it doesn't look, you know, too weird. I need to work on my cuticle area more. I actually had to add some to the pinky and to the index because it was too thin. When I filed around, it was like super thin. You were able to see my nail. So, but yeah, I do need to work on my cuticle area a bit. But yeah, so now we're gonna go ahead and put these little flowers here, and I'm gonna see if I'm gonna use some of these or not. I'm not sure. And so I am gonna use some base coat. I'm just gonna put some base coat where I'm gonna put the little decoration, and then we're going to be using our little flashy light to cure them in place and then make them flat. So I am going to bend it just a little bit, so that'll help it sit more, you know, flat. Alright, so I switched to alcohol and a different brush because, I don't know, for some reason, I don't know why the brush, everything was sticking now. I don't remember that happening when I used the clear last time. Alright, so these are with the clear on. So I hope everything goes okay. I think this little part's gonna get filed off. Oh my goodness. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and file these, and then I will be back. All right, so these are the nails all filed and buffed, and I did start to put the base coat, and I was like, oh crap, I wasn't recording. So I'm gonna put base coat on all the nails, and then the ones that have the decorations, we're gonna go in with the cat eye, and then the ring and thumb, we're gonna go in with the Joslove top coat. And I really like this top coat. So yeah, we're gonna put a layer of base coat and then cure that for 60 seconds. I already did the pinky. All right, so the top coat is, oh, I love it. It's so shiny and makes it smooth. Oh, I absolutely love it. I'm gonna go around and crispen up the edges, just because it makes it a little bit bulky. All right, so I just wanted to add a little something to the nails that have the flowers. I kind of did it yesterday where I put the cat eye and then I took it off over the flowers and it just made like a little design in between. I'm gonna see if it's gonna work again. Yeah, we'll see how that goes. Alright, so I'm just gonna use my light move. That's why I was like, why is it not that bright? Oh my goodness. So I'm just gonna kinda, I think you have to like activate. I haven't really used cat eyes that much. I don't know if I like it with that or if I should just leave them clear like that. I kind of like it just clear. Yeah, I don't know. I kind of like it just with the pink like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just top coat. Alright, so I'm just going to apply some top coat to the one that I put the rhinestones on. Just because some of that glue got around, then you want to make sure too that they're all sealed in, so... Alright, I just want to come on and show the clear polygel. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it is like absolutely crystal clear. My camera doesn't want to, look at that. Look at the shimmers. You can see all the shimmers. Like the detail in the flowers, like, oh my gosh. It's seriously like the clearest. Oh my gosh, and their top coat. I absolutely love the top coat, but look at that. There's no bubbles either. Like, Seriously, this is amazing. I was just looking at them and I'm like, oh my gosh, look at how freaking clear, like no bubbles, like crystals. It's amazing. But yeah, definitely check out their Joslove's polygels. But look at that clear. Oh my gosh. All right, so this is the finished set here, and I think they came out really pretty. Oh, that bling is just gorgeous. But yes, these polygels are amazing. If you want to check out I did the unboxing, swatches, all that. A couple videos back, it was an Easter video. But yeah, thank you so much, Joslove. I honestly love these polygels. They are amazing. Hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you next time. Bye.